Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Instagram notes feature is not showing, then you've come to the right video. I'm gonna show you how to fix that issue. So first thing that we need to do is that we need to make sure that our Instagram app is updated. So we're just gonna have to go to Play Store or App Store to see if it's updated. So right here we can see that it's actually very updated. And after that, we're gonna go ahead to our profile and click on the three lines at the top and click on settings and privacy. Now we're gonna go down and click on messages and story replies. From here we're gonna click on show activity status, and then we're just gonna toggle it on so that we can actually see the activity status. And you can try if it actually works, but if it doesn't, then we have another option, which is to switch to professional account and switch back. So from here, just gonna click on edit profile and click on switch to professional account right here, and then just go back to your home page and click on settings again and privacy. Then we're gonna go down a bit, click on creator and switch account type, and now we're gonna click on switch to personal account. Now this should fix the issue by now, but if it still doesn't, then the last option that we can do is to log out all devices from our Instagram. So we're just gonna go to settings and go down a little bit, and we're just gonna have to click log out on all accounts, and then after you log in, the issue should be fixed. And that's how easy it is, guys. So make sure to like and subscribe, and see you all in the next video.